on this 2010 to 2017 Honda Accord with the 2.4 gas engine. P0615 may mean the PCM is seeing a problem in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit. The customer may describe a no start, an intermittent start concern, or a warning light with normal starting depending on when the fault shows up. Broadly, this can involve the starter cut relay circuit path, the relay circuit board, fuse or fuse box wiring, connector condition, or PCM-side control and monitoring. Before testing, save the freeze data and any onboard snapshot. Then start with the basic system checks so you know whether this is a current fault or an intermittent one. Start by pressing the engine start/stop button to select the on mode. Clear the code with the HDS, then try to start the engine. After that, check for pending or confirmed codes with the HDS. If P0615 comes right back, the failure is duplicated and you can keep moving through the circuit checks. If it does not come back, treat it as intermittent for now. At that point, the system is okay at this time. So focus on poor connections or loose terminals at the relay circuit board and the PCM. Next, check the HDS again for companion starter cut diagnosis codes without chasing P0615 in isolation. If those companion codes are present, handle that diagnostic path first. If they are not present, clear the code again and try to start the engine. If the engine starts, the next check is the SDRLY1-2 line. If the engine does not start, move to the fuse and ignition feed side of the circuit. For the SDRLY1-2 open wire check, select OFF mode, jump the SCS line with the HDS, then disconnect relay circuit board connector A, the 8P connector, and PCM connector A, the 51P connector. Jump a relay circuit board connector and no. 8. The PUR wire to body ground. Then check continuity between PCM connector and no. 47. The PUR wire and body ground. If there is continuity, the SDRLY1-2 wire is okay. From there, update the PCM if it does not have the latest software, or substitute a known good PCM. Then verify the repair. If there is no continuity, repair the open in the SDRLY1-2 wire between the relay circuit board and the PCM at a 47. Then verify the repair. If the engine did not start during the path check, select OFF mode and check fuse no. B9, rated at 20A, in the under-fuse/relay box. If that fuse is not okay, repair the short in the wire between the no. B920, a fuse in the under-fuse/relay box and the appropriate initiator. Then replace the 20A fuse and verify the repair. If the fuse is okay, continue with the IG1 ACG open wire check. Disconnect relay circuit board connector A, the 8P connector, and under-fuse/relay box connector F, the 18P connector. The same connector designation applies for USA, Mexico, and Canada models. Jump a relay circuit board connector and no. 4. The PNK wire to body ground. Then check continuity between under-fuse/relay box connector F no. 11. The PNK wire and body ground. If there is no continuity, repair the open in the IG1 ACG wire between the under-fuse/relay box and the relay circuit board. Then verify the repair. If there is continuity, the IG1 ACG wire is okay, and the next decision is based on the relay circuit board test. With the IG1 ACG wire confirmed okay, test the relay circuit board. If the relay circuit board is okay, replace the under-fuse/relay box for the applicable market version, then verify the repair. If the relay circuit board is not okay, replace the relay circuit board, then verify the repair. Keep verification separate from the circuit testing. Select OFF mode, reconnect all connectors, and exit SCS mode with the HDS. Select on mode, reset the PCM with the HDS, and do the PCM idle learn procedure. Then check for pending or confirmed codes with the HDS. If P0615 is still indicated, check for poor connections or loose terminals at the relay circuit board and the PCM. If the PCM was updated, substitute a known good PCM and recheck. If the PCM was already substituted, go back to the beginning and duplicate the fault again. If P0615 is not indicated, troubleshooting is complete. If a PCM was substituted and that resolved the concern, replace the original PCM. If any other pending or confirmed codes are present, check what they mean next. The takeaway is simple. Prove whether P0615 is current, split the path by whether the engine starts, and let the SDRLY122, fuse, IG1 ACK, and relay board checks drive the repair. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.